Nagendra Pillai, CEO of Mahindra First Choice Wheels. This is our 263rd dealership, as we talked about. Our goal is to get to 350 dealerships by the end of the year, fiscal year. And then, as part of the growth, what we are also doing is launching a whole series of products, both for the customer in the dealership and for the dealer to use to run his business better. Because our value add, we believe, are to help the customer get a better transaction, used car transaction, and in parallel, our objective is also to get the dealer tools, products and services that he can use to run his dealership more efficiently and more effectively so that he can make more money. So the whole idea is it's a partnership. The customer should get a better transaction and the dealership should make more money and satisfy the customer. So as part of that, I think one of the products I want to mention here is we've just launched India's first what we call transaction-based pricing guide, for used car pricing guide. It's called IndianBlueBook.com. It's free, any consumer can go use it. It really empowers the customer to understand what the used car value should be, whether the customer is buying or selling. And the dealer can also use it to value the trade that he gets and how to price the car. So that's one example of what we are doing to make the whole used car ecosystem operate more efficiently. Just like that, we are launching you'll see a whole series of products launched this year for banks, for dealers, for customers, and we want to really build an ecosystem of used car industry that is trusted and that's friendly to the consumer, where dealers also have an opportunity to run their operation very efficiently.
Just introduce yourself.
I am Raja Arjun. I'm the latest owner of a Mahindra First Choice showroom located in Lavelle Road. Very internationally designed showroom for a very international company. I run a company called AQB Group. Our parent company was Raja Housing and Raja Uday & Co. So mainly we are in the real estate market and a highly unorganized sector, as you all are aware. So when it was time to diversify into another unorganized sector, we had to seek help from one of the world's fastest growing automakers, Mahindra First Choice, Mahindra Wheels Private Limited. So 40 years ago, my family was dealing with cars and we were the largest in South India. It was in my genes. I've grown up with it. As a teenager, I've designed a few bikes. I've also run some Kinetic showrooms and Honda showrooms. So it was very natural for me to diversify into another automobile company, and this time with 4 wheels, not 2 wheels. So Mahindra was the very easy choice. They're already in 400 odd outlets, if I'm right, 200 odd, 260 odd outlets, and their support has been truly amazing, truly international. And what I would like to tell everyone is to visit a Mahindra showroom, Mahindra First Choice showroom. Have a look at the prices. Do not be afraid that these extra advantages come with a cost. They're actually there to help, and if you look around, they're very, very aggressively priced.
What kind of brands that it's been showcased across?
Well, as the Mahindra First Choice motto goes, it's a multi-brand showroom, and it's also India's #1 multi-brand showroom. So we start even from a 1 lakh car to 40-50 lakh cars. If you step into our showroom today, right now, you'll see an Audi Q3, you'll also see a Mahindra Verito, you'll also see a Chevrolet Spark. So that gives you the entire spectrum of what we sell. And very importantly, they always come with a one-year warranty, on-road assistance, 24-hour assistance, which is also held by Mahindra.